Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can email Amazon Flex support. So let's get started right away. In order to email Amazon Flex support, just go ahead and log in to your email address, whichever email service that you use. After you have logged in to the email address that you use to sign in to your Amazon Flex account, simply go ahead and compose a new email. Now within the to section, you simply need to use Amazon Flex-support@amazon.com. This is the official support address for Amazon Flex, where you can send in any of your queries and you will get a response from Amazon Flex. Simply type in your subject on the subject box and then your message in the main body section. Then you can simply send your email and wait for their response. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact Amazon Flex support. You can also search for the phone number and then use the toll-free number from Amazon Flex to contact them directly and get the help required to your concern. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the support team on Amazon Flex. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.